90% of people try to close a deal by reducing the price. But what if I told you there is a better way of doing it? Yes, it is possible by mastering the art of bonuses. So in our previous video, we discussed about how to master the art of urgency, and in today's video we are going to talk about how to master the art of bonuses so people feel stupid saying no and it creates a FOMO in them. So this is episode 12 of alexhormozi $100 million offer series. Now, reducing the price, or we can say a discount, sounds like desperation, but bonuses sounds like generosity. When you give bonuses, the value increases but the price still remains the same. Here is a simple example. Instead of giving a $500 discount, you can add a value that is worth more than $1,500. In this way, the price is still the same of the product, but still the value is overloaded. Now, instead of saying you will get all of this in this stack or this bonus, you can say this is the thing that we are going to provide. Apart from this, you are going to get bonus 1, that is weekly consultation call, bonus 2, mindset tracking, bonus 3, step-by-step game plan, and something like that. Now, when you add bonuses, add one bonus after another, and after another, people feel like what else is coming? I cannot miss out on this, and this creates the FOMO. And this is what exactly we want to create in the market. Now, there is a simple way you can add urgency and bonuses combined together, and this works every single time. You can say sign up today so you can get access to bonus 4, that is an LP session, or else it is gone forever if you don't sign up within next 24 hours. In this way, this makes people act now rather than acting afterwards. So now that you know how to master the art of bonuses, in the next video we are going to talk about how to master the art of guarantee. So you don't want to miss out on this. Do like, share and comment and hit that subscribe button. So thank you, bye bye, thank you for watching.